Hey folks, it's Mr. Max again. I have this 2018 Tiguan. I have to put the rear body panel on this car here. I took the old one off. It was hit in the rear. So I gotta put the new piece back in. So I'm gonna show you, I can film the whole process of removing, all the issues. So I try to do some of the repairs and I'll just show how I'm gonna put the panel back on. So take a quick look. Alright, so I have to line it up, bring the trunk down, make everything line up with the striker, and I'm gonna put some screws on some areas to hold it in place before I start doing welding. Alright, so I wish I had someone to do the filming for me, because it's kind of hard to zoom in and show what I'm doing. But yeah, so that's what it is. I'll do this. Put some screws to hold that in place. Squeeze it at the bottom here. Sure these holes line up. Drill some holes in here, then I'll weld. I'll make sure this lines up with the trunk. I have to squeeze that. Alright, so when I do that, I have to do some more drilling and screwing this so it stays in place. Then I gotta put these, let me take this. I have to put these, let me get the piece. So this one goes here. I put it back in. So that will cover, take care of that. Then I have another panel that covers here. Another reinforcement that goes all the way across. So after I put this one on, put the tail light, the tail light back on, make sure everything lines up with this light here, the space, everything lined up proper, then I'll start do welding. Alright. So I'm gonna show, continue when I have this on both sides. Alright. So I'll continue in a few. Okay.